Yeah, this is the solar module panel or solar panel. You can say that the single solar cell can generate 0.5 to 0.7 volt. Uh, it will generate only 0.5 to 0.7 volt. Okay, so this is the cell. It converted into cell into wait 1 minute. It converted cell it converted into group of forms a array. Okay, so this is the one of the single crystalline. Okay, this is 0.5 volt only. This is you can say it is a whether it may be a mono, it may be a poly, or it may be your thin film. Okay, clear. So now, yeah, next this is the solar panel. We'll discuss. Generally we use solar panel in everywhere. Okay, in everywhere, every country we use solar panel. This is the one of the now latest technology, that is solar generation, power generation in solar. Okay, so there is some 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt rooftop design. You are using here rooftop design 3 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt. You can use in there is a three type of system is there. Generally on grid, off grid, and hybrid. Okay, that is the another topics, that is, but we are using for rooftop purpose. Rooftop purpose, have you seen in some roof you are using some project like 3 kilowatt installation, 5 kilowatt installation. Okay, that's the solar module. Okay, clear. Varistor, what is the varistor? Is a one type of semiconductor. Here varistor is a voltage dependent resistors. In varistor the resistance decreases when voltage increases. Okay, when the resistance decreases, then voltage increases. The word composed of variable resistor. Okay, the resistance of semiconductor varies by applied the voltage. If we apply the voltage, the resistance of the semiconductor will varies. That is called as a varistor. Okay, so this is the property used device called as a varistor. The most common type of is VDR, is voltage dependent resistor. VDR shortcut, that is voltage dependent resistor, is MOB, metal oxide varistor. Okay, clear all of you guys. So again I am saying that voltage dependent resistor, that means voltage is here. If you apply the voltage, the resistance of the semiconductor will be varies. That is called as a volt. That's why it is called as a varistor. It is a resistance decreases when voltage increases. You can say also varistor is a voltage dependent resistors. Clear all of you guys. Next slide. Application. Use in stabilizer. You know stabilizer. Yeah, stabilizer use voltage stabilizer. Use in motor speed control. Varistor is used in power supply system. Varistor are used as a telephone and other communication line protection. Clear. For there are different types of application of varistor. Okay, Hall effect generator. What is this Hall effect generator? Hall effect generator. This is an important long question also. Yeah, see this diagram. This is the Hall effect generator. Okay, first you read about this. Yeah, see, when a current flow through a semiconductor bar, see the semiconductor bar here, A, B, C, D. This is the semiconductor bar placed in a magnetic field. Yeah, it is placed in a magnetic field. A voltage is developed at right angle to both current and magnetic field. This voltage is proportional to the current and the intensity of magnetic field. This is called as a Hall effect. Okay, so that means here when the current flows through the semiconductor bar, okay, in magnetic field, voltage developed at right angle to both current and magnetic field. This voltage is proportional to current and the intensity of magnetic field. Okay, that is now the important things. Consider a semiconductor bar as shown in figure. Yeah, you can see here is a B, C, D, 4 phases are there. Okay, so if a voltage EL, see this is EL. Okay, EL is applied across the two opposite sides of A and B, a current will flow. You apply the voltage here A and B. See, A is there and B is there. So if you applied A and B, okay, so opposite sides A and B, the current will flow if the bar is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field as shown in figure. Okay, a electrical potential EMF, that is called as EH. Okay, you can say EH, electrical potential EH. You can say it is E small h or EH also. EH is generated between the two contacts of CD. See the diagram. Here EH is developed. That means here EMF is developed right in opposite sides. Okay. So yeah, see. So EH is generated between the other two contacts C and D. This voltage EH is directly measure of magnetic strength and can dictated with a simple voltmeter. Okay, how much voltage generated, it will dictated by a voltmeter. See the diagram again. I am saying here you are applying four phases that are perpendicular to the magnetic field. Here you are applying A and B. You are applying a voltage, that is EL. But ultimately the voltage is generated in opposite phases of C and D, that is EH. Okay, EH is generated opposite phases, that is C and D. Clear all of you guys? So this is known as a Hall effect generator. Clear all of you guys? This is the important long question. You have a four phases A, B, C, D, but you applied here voltage terminal A and B, but you will get a voltage C and D. Okay, voltage across C and D, that is EH. EH, why it is written EH? E is a potential, H written, it gives Hall effect. Hall effect voltage, EH means Hall effect voltage, EH. Okay, you can write as a E small h, or you can direct the EH is generated opposite phases of opposite sides of the bar. Okay, clear all of you? Now come to application. The Hall effect generator is used for magnetic field. It is capable of measuring magnetic field strength, have a strength 10 to 6 of magnetic field of the earth. Strain gauge. What is strain gauge? Strain gauge is a sensor whose resistance varies with applied force. It converts force, pressure, tension, weight, etc. into change in electrical resistance, which can be measured. As the name indicates, they are used for measurement of strain. Okay, finally, strain gauge is used for convert force, pressure, tension, weight into a change in resistance. This is the one of the definitions. Okay, as there is a name indicates, they are used for measurement of strain. Gauge factor. What is the gauge factor? You can say del R divided by R whole divided by del L by L. Del R by R means change in resistance. Del R means resistance, del L means change in length, and L is your normal length. Okay, clear guys? So next application, strain gauge is used for small change in length of solid substance or object. Transistor, you know better than me. Transistor is a 3-terminal device. This is a 2 p-n junction sandwich either p-type or n-type semiconductor between a pair of opposite phases, that is P and P. Okay, that is P and P. Okay, so transistor is a 3-terminal device, 2-junction device. A transistor consists of a 2 p-n junction. Okay, p-type semiconductor, n-type semiconductor between a pair opposite types. Transistor uses amplifier. We are using transistor for amplification process, and it is used for switch. It has a 3 region. Okay, you can say that 3 region means it is a active region, another is saturation region, another is cutoff region. Transistor is unilateral device. You can only current will flow from one direction, that is unilateral device. Transistor classified into 2 types, BJT and other is FET. You know the BJT means bipolar junction transistor, and it is a 3-terminal device. It is a current control device. Why is this current control device BJT? Because IC is equal to beta IB, because 2 polarity is responsible for current conduction here, that is electron and holes, but there is a 3-terminal device, emitter, base, collector. FET is also same. It is a voltage control device. It is a unipolar device, and here only one polarity is responsible for current conduction, that is either electron or hole. But in case of BJT, both electron and hole, but here FET only electron, current conduction purpose. It has a 3-terminal gate, drain and source. Advantages, what is usually advantages? Smaller size, low cost, longer life, can handle a small current, can combine with a million or one cheap die, and it forms an integrated circuit. Low power consumption, less waste, and efficiency, can be equivalent tubes, can operate low voltage supply for greater safety and lower cost. Disadvantage, maintenance is more difficult and not easily replaced by users. Semiconductor commonly used. Thank you very much.